let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Tango silver level choreography with teaching count. Slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with 2 tango walks, continued by 4-step, and then Fallaway Promenade. We end Fallaway Promenade in slightly unusual direction and continue with Promenade Link. Then reverse outside Swivel, which is ended in Promenade position, and closed Promenade. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to wall, and we start with 2 walks. We continue 4-step, without turn, diagonally to wall against line of dance. Fallaway Promenade, we start diagonally to center, and we finish diagonally to center with Promenade Link. Down line of dance, reverse outside swivel, which we finish in Promenade position diagonally to wall, and we dance in same direction, closed Promenade into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.